Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how you can use the text-to-speech or the voice typing feature on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Now if you want to use the voice typing feature, you go to any app, let's say Google Play, and I want to search an app. Now if you don't want to type it letter by letter, here you have the white line, drag from the bottom to the top, and here you can select this microphone, that is the voice typing feature. Click on the mic, scroll down, click on continue, click on while using the app, WhatsApp, and you can speak right after you click on it. You can edit your text, and when you are done, you can click here to search your app. You found it, and you can install it, uninstall it, open it. It depends on the app. This feature works on every app. If you have the search feature, don't worry. If it's WhatsApp, when you find contacts, even if it's YouTube, music, or any other app that uses the search feature. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.